Hi, welcome to Module 2, Lesson 10. Pro tips for new VAs or aspiring virtual assistant. Bago ka pumasok fully sa VA world, ito muna ang mga tips para hindi ka agad ma-stress or ma-overwhelm. Remember, success is in the details. So let's start. Common mistakes to avoid and quick wins. First, we have don't overpromise. Guys, tandaan, hindi mo kailangan magmagaling sa lahat ng bagay. Kung may task na bago sa'yo, be honest with your client. Sabihin mo, I can figure this out, but I'll need some time to learn. Kasi kapag nag-overpromise ka at hindi mo ma-deliver, it can hurt your credibility. Mawawala ng trust sa iyo yung client. It's great to be eager, but make sure you set realistic timelines and goals. Overpromising can quickly erode trust, so promise wisely. Second, we have track your time and tasks. Para maiwasan ang sabog moments, track your time and tasks properly. Use tools like Toggle, To-Do List, Asana, Trello, ClickUp para ma-monitor mo kung saan napupunta ang oras mo. This will help you stay productive at mapakita mo rin kay client na organized ka sa mga tasks mo. Plus, it is easier to identify kung saan ka nahihirapan or nag-e-excel. Whether you bill hourly or by project, keep your record of your work to avoid disputes in the future with the invoice and the payments as well. Kasi baka sabihin ng client na, hey, hindi ka naman nag-update so I'm not sure if you're working. So it's good to have a record of your time and task para may ebidensya ka na panghahawakan. Number three, set boundaries. Kapag VA ka, madali kang matempt mag-work kahit beyond your hours. Pero girl, bro, hindi ka robot. Set clear boundaries with your client like working hours or response times. Halimbawa, sabihin mo, I'll respond to messages between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. because I my work shift is over beyond those hours. So, setting boundaries keeps you sane and ensures you won't burn out. Establish clear working hours, response times, and days off. This prevents burnout and ensures clients know when they can expect to hear from you. Hindi naman kasi dapat 24/7 ka whenever the client sends you a message. Di ka naman obliged to respond immediately unless you're paid to do 24/7 work, right? Pero kapag 8-hour shift lang, then set a boundary. Sabihin mo kay client na these are your working hours, so you may respond or you may expect a response from these times if they send you a message beyond those times. So it's important to have boundaries with your client para hindi naman sila mag-expect na palagi kang nandyan. Number four is to build professional relationships. Relationships matter, everyone. Be friendly but professional. Pakita mo kay client na reliable ka, pero wag naman over-familiar. Respect their time, communicate clearly, and always deliver your best work. The better your relationship, the more likely they'll trust and keep you long term. Who knows? Baka ikaw ang i-refer nila sa friends nilang may businesses, right? Networking with fellow VAs or professionals in your niche can lead to valuable referrals in learning opportunities as well. Okay? Number five, the last one, is to celebrate small wins. Huwag kalimutang i-celebrate ang bawat accomplishment. Pwede naman kumain ng samgyeopsal kasi may nagawa kang task na you thought you couldn't do it but you were able to do it. So that's also celebrating small wins. No matter how small it is, be grateful. Natapos mo ang 50 emails, na-schedule mo lahat ng posts for the week, that's a win. Treat yourself to coffee, mag-break ka, or kahit dance party muna, or tagay. Celebrating small wins keeps you motivated and feeling good about your progress. Every positive testimonial, every thank you email, and every new skill learned is worth celebrating. Recognizing your progress keeps you motivated and builds confidence. Always remember, becoming a successful virtual assistant takes time, patience, and consistency. Avoid these common mistakes and apply these quick wins to build a solid foundation for your career. Bawat step na ginawa mo ngayon is a step closer to your dream lifestyle. So don't overcomplicate things. Keep going because you are one way ahead of others. Bye! Thank you so much for watching Module 2. And if you're ready to move on with Module 3, then go on and see you there. Bye!